Hello, everybody, and welcome to Virtual Taste. I am Steve McGowan from Brave Berlin. I am representing the Blink Creative team. I am here in this well-lit room, and I am going to make a burger for you like you have never had or tasted. And get this, it requires no cooking. That's the best part. So I have to commend the chamber for doing this. We're all going through some weird stuff, but man, this Virtual Taste, I think this is going to knock your socks off. It's probably nothing like this that you would ever get at Taste, because their level of quality is so much higher than what I'm about to make. But while in quarantine, also my business partner Dan Reynolds from Brave Berlin, we are social distancing, so for us to be in the same room together is a little difficult. So I said, I'll take this one and I can make a burger out of scratch. So what I did was I called Uber Eats and I ordered 3 different burgers from 3 different restaurants. And I am going to shuffle them like a deck of cards and see what we come up with. And I think we're gonna be pleased with the result. So what you can see here is a Whopper with cheese. So I got this, just went down and got this. Ooh, look, just like the pictures. So I'm gonna deconstruct these and then I'm gonna build them back up. So this is the Whopper. You can kind of see, hello, Whopper with cheese. So I'm gonna take the buns, and they put a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna take the pickles off here because I'm gonna rework those. And I have some onions in here too. And I did wash my hands, by the way. I'm not wearing gloves because it's just me and my dog Doug here. And I'm gonna take off the burger patty and I'm gonna save this piece for later. So that'll be my base. Then, man, Wendy's, the Baconator. So I got a Baconator. I'm gonna take this guy here, do the same kind of thing. I'm gonna deconstruct it. This is a little bit nicer. It's got a brioche bun, but as you can see, it does have the same condiments that the Whopper had. But this guy has non-crispy bacon, which is just gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna set the bacon aside for now. These guys, and I don't know how they figured it out, but Wendy's has created the perfect square burger, and that's the burger with cheese. So I'm gonna set those aside here. There's 2 patties on that guy. So this is a meaty burger. Another piece of bun that I'm going to save. And oh my God, the best ever, these little babies here. Yes, I plated them up for you special. These are 2 sliders. They're cheeseburgers from White Castles, or Whitey Castiles, as we say. And those are going to be the secret ingredient to this magic mess. So I'm gonna start with my base, courtesy of Burger King. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna take one of my square patties from Wendy's, and then I'm gonna take a couple onions, put that on here. As you can see, I haven't cooked any of this. I'm just reassembling that. And it's kind of the spirit of Blink. Blink is a creative art event, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna create something out of literally nothing. And I thought, what would be the easiest thing to do that would require the least amount of work? And honestly, this is it. So I've got some onion on there. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take some of the tomato off of the original Whopper. So now I've kind of shuffled the deck here. Then I'm gonna take these guys here. The best thing about White Castle is the way that they do the onions in the hole. And I'm just gonna kind of put these on here with the breading. So I'm already at 2 layers. And then you know what? F it. I'm gonna put some pickles on it, another onion, and then I'm gonna put the Whopper patty, Whopper with cheese, on top of that bad boy. And then I'm gonna take what was the bun from the Wendy's, the Baconator, which is a brioche bun, very tasty. I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna turn it upside down so that the condiments are on the top. I'm gonna then put on my Wendy's burger. Then I'm gonna throw on some more bacon. Ooh, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right here in the apartment. I got some Corona. Trying to help those guys out. They're not selling anything. And before I put on the last, dang, this is a secret ingredient. I'm gonna put on another one of these sliders. As you can see, I'm not wasting anything. This thing is becoming a tower. And then before I put on the, you know what, I'm not gonna put that heel on there. It's too many carbs. Ooh, I found another piece of bacon. Lovely. So, I don't know if you've had these, but a friend of mine, Logan, turned me on to them. Famous Dave's Spicy Pickle Chips. I'm gonna put some of these on top of here. This is gonna be the thing that really sets it off. This is really the only thing you would have to purchase. And then I'm gonna take the original bun, if you remember, off of the Whopper. I'm gonna put that right on this bad boy. And I think you can see what we've created here, which is something quite magical. Just like the photo. So take a look at that. I'm gonna take another swig of drink. And I'm gonna try to take a bite of this bad boy. So, courtesy of Blink and the creative team there, we hope to see you soon. Enjoy your time off, be safe.